concept of what Botanical Water was doing was very intriguing to me. We have many customers that are very interested in ESG programs, and when we learned about Botanical Water, it seemed to be a natural fit for us. We have a large volume of condensate water from our tomato products. It was not being used in a really valuable way. We have a serious drought in California. Our water source is fantastic. It can be purified through the Botanical Water system.
Merced County is in an exceptional or a very severe drought, and the ability to be able to create water, to be able to provide clean, potable water to our community is critically important.
Botanical water is a new source of water. We harvest the water that naturally occurs in plants. So we found a way to take that water from those plants and create the world's most sustainable water.